How to turn on sync in your Telegram account. Now this is very simple, but before moving on to it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also leave a like at the end of this video and also check out more of our content. Now let us begin. First, open Telegram. After you've opened Telegram, make sure that you're on the settings page, and after you've gone to the settings page, scroll down till you find this privacy and security option. Now go there, and there you'll see many features to block users or turn on your passcode or face ID. But what we need is to scroll down and then go to data settings. After we've gone to data settings, you will see options under contacts to sync contacts or to delete synced contacts. Now make sure that your sync contact is turned on, and when you turn it on, all of your accounts contacts that you have already on your phone will get synced, and then it will be available in your Telegram. So that is how you do it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and also comment on what next you would like our tutorial to be on. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.